if merong full name siyang inilagay, we can add a regular expression in here or regex. So for basic regular expression, meron tayong mga pwedeng isik ng help online. Okay, so we can head over to Regex 101. Ito yung madalas na ginagamit kong pang-testing ng regular expression. Okay, so napakadami nating mga tokens na po pwedeng gamitin dito. Ayan, meron siyang mga descriptions naman kung paano siya gagamitin. So, pakita lang natin yung basic lang na gamit po nito, no? And then, we're going to use it later on. So, first, ang gagamitin natin is si preg match. Preg underscore match. Okay? And then, we will going to enter a pattern inside string. Okay? So, kailangan mag-start lang siya sa may dalawang forward slash. Okay? And then, yung expression natin is ilalagay natin dyan sa loob na yan. So, let's say, for example, we have A. Okay? So, yan yung pattern natin. Now, ngayon, ang i-check natin, kumbaga saan natin siya i-apply. So, let's say, i-apply natin siya dun sa may ating full name. Since full name ang tinitignan natin dito sa may conditional statement natin. Now, ano bang ginagawa nitong preg match na to? Okay, so it allows you to add regular expression like as I said kanina. Now, i-echo natin to. Try natin siyang i-echo. And then, para hindi mag-fire, ito, magdagdag sa database natin, comment out muna natin siya. Save natin, and then, head over tayo dito sa ating registration. Refresh lang natin. So, nag-type tayo dito ng letter A. So, click natin yung register. Yan, huwag muna nating pansinin to. So, as you can see, we have here 1. Ibig sabihin, may nag-match dun sa may username natin or dun sa may full name natin, rather. Okay, na A. Kasi A yung tinype natin. So, nag-match ngayon dun sa may inassign natin sa kanya na pag-checkan nito. Now, when I type, for example, B in here, register, so as you can see, we have here 0. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, hindi nag-match. Okay, yung nilagay nating expression dun sa my full name. Now, we can, aside from A, we can add a range. Okay, so for example, A to Z, something like that. Okay, para kapag ginawa natin yun, we type even letter C. Okay, so napaka tedious naman ng gagawin natin kung maglalagay tayo ng A, B, C, D hanggang Z. Okay, pero po pwede din naman siya. Click natin to let register. So as you can see, nag-match na po siya. Okay, so what if we type double A? Okay, so like something like that. So as you can see, we have a 1 as well. Okay, so nag-match din po yung ating string. So now, to give a right parang range natin, we can add starting of a string. We can check the starting of the string and then yung ending ng ating string. Something like that. Okay, so dito tayo. Mali. Okay, so ito yung start ng string and then ito yung end ng string. Okay, so ibig sabihin sa start hanggang sa end ng string, i-check niya ngayon kung meron siyang content na A to Z. Okay, kasi it's supposed to be 0 kasi, no? For example, AA again. So as you can see, 0 na siya. Okay? So bakit hindi gumana yung range natin ngayon? Okay, kasi I just want to introduce to you the plus symbol within the range. Okay, so right after the range. Ibig sabihin, you are catching 2 or more A to Z na characters. Okay, so from starting nung string natin hanggang sa end niya, kailangan meron daw siyang A to Z. Okay, so nag-type tayo dito, for example, GG. So as you can see, nagmamatch na siya. Unfortunately, when you are typing capital letter GG, mag-0 siya. Okay? Kasi, kailangan nating indicate dito within our range. Sa may range natin, yung bracket na yun, ibig sabihin range siya. Lalagyan natin si A to Z. Okay? So, para pumasok yung ating capital letter. Okay. Enter. GG. Register. So, 1 na ngayon yung ating result. Now, in our full name, ang gusto nating mangyari dito sa may syntax natin is kapag ka yung full name ay doesn't contain A to Z na maliliit and then A to Z na malalaki, okay, yun ang gusto natin, we will consider that as invalid. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pagka nag-type siya, for example, ang ilalagay natin dito is yung mga valid. Okay? So, for example, kailangan yung first name, or yung full name niya is contains small caps or all caps with more than 2. Ayan, more than 1 na characters. Kasi full name yung kinakatch natin. Now, ayusin natin to, yung preg match natin, gawin natin siyang like this. Okay? If not preg match. Okay, so babaligtarin natin yung condition natin para yung ilalagay natin dito sa may ating pattern is yun yung mga susundin or yun yung mga valid. Okay, so kasi mas you can do yung reverse version po nito, yung walang not, pero ang ilalagay natin dito is yung mga invalid. Okay, so mas prefer ko lang na baligtarin yung scenario kasi mas gusto kong ilagay sa pattern yung mga valid. Okay, so which is mas madali ko siyang na-visualize. Now in here, so I'm going to create $sign pattern and then I will going to put this on that. And then tatawagin ko na lang ngayon dito si $sign pattern. Okay, and then I will not going to echo that. I'm going to put that in if statement. Okay, if yan yung mangyayari, I will be going to alert invalid full name. Okay, so of course, ang full name natin contains, kung minsan, for example, we have full name na JR. Refresh natin to. JR. Something like that. Okay. So, hindi siya mag-error or hindi siya dapat pumasok. Okay. So, mag-alert siya as invalid full name. Okay. So, we forgot the not dito. Ayan, kaya hindi siya nag-alert. Try natin siya ulit. Ito. We have here JR register. So, we have invalid full name. Okay. So, kanina kasi kaya siya it is considered as valid. Ayan, kaya walang nag-alert. Now, how we can do that? Okay. So, yung mayroon siyang magdadagdag tayo ng hyphen. So, kung dadagdag natin yung special character, okay, hindi lang tayo maglalagay ng ganyan. Okay, so lalagyan natin siya ng backslash in front of it. Okay, so kung gusto nating i-add yung hyphen, so kailangan natin ng backslash. Okay, so for example, kung gusto mong special character, so let's say sa mga junior, senior, we have period, so backslash and then period. Kung gusto mong i-allow yung $sign sa full name, so you can add backslash $sign, something like that. Okay? So, of course, wala namang ganyan yung full name natin. JR Junior. Okay. Then, register. So, we have here invalid full name. Why is that? Kasi gumamit tayo ng space. JR space Junior. So, kailangan din natin idagdag yung space. Ang space, we can simply add that by using backslash small s. Okay, that means white space. Okay, so magdadagdag tayo ng white space. Consider natin yung ating white space. Now, if we do this, junior, Okay, so walang lumabas na invalid full name, so it means it is valid.